Man, this steering wheel is off of a 1995 BMW 850ci. Great car, great looking car, but this steering wheel definitely has something lacking. So we are going to fix all these problems that you can see on here. All the leather's just cracked up and top coat worn off. Always remember that hand sanitizer is the worst thing for any leathers or vinyls. So don't use hand sanitizer in your car and then touch your steering wheel or your dash or your seats, because that alcohol will strip the top coat off of leather. So anyway, what we're going to do is strip this steering wheel down, clean it up real nice, and then restore it back to factory new with a new Napa grain leather on there and the BMW basting stitch in black. So we'll take a look at this after we've got it transformed. All right, we've got this 1995 BMW 850ci all finished out and reupholstered back to factory new, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. As you can see from the before pictures, it was pretty worn out when it got here. So we removed all that old worn out leather, cleaned up the steering wheel real well, and then put this new leather back on it. We went with a medium grain black leather with the black basting stitch in there. Just really looks good. So whatever you need at Craft Customs in regard to steering wheels or similar items, give us a call or visit us on the web at craftcustoms.com.